Hi everyone and welcome to Coin Treasure Hunt. If you'd like to learn a little about the objects, faces and places on the back of UK circulated coins, find out which commemorative coins are rare, sought after and worth more than face value, and to seek out the hidden treasures a lot of people miss, or you just love coin hunts, then I invite you to subscribe. Right, today I'm going to be doing a 50p coin hunt. Nice sealed bag of sealed bags. So, time to get it open. Or hack it open in this case. Let's see how I go. Don't lose my scissors. Right, because I don't want these getting knocked left, right and centre. Right, so I've had some lovely luck with sealed bags, 50p sealed bags that is. So it'll be interesting. Oops, it'll be interesting to see how we do this time. So 50p coin hunt, let's dive in. Hope I should already start sorting them out. Move them over there. So obviously putting Britannias and shields off to one side. Have a look through them later for 2017 shield and 2008 Britannia. Let's see what that one is just for giggles. Probably 2019, yeah. Not too much of a surprise. There's our first one. And another unsurprising fact is that we got a dictionary because it's a very high mintage coin. Still a great idea. Samuel Johnson, fantastic idea. Imagine that was the first time when you could kind of look up, have a central book that you could like look up words that you didn't understand. And before that there was no such thing as dictionaries. Wow. Certainly in the English language. I can't speak for other languages I don't know. So nothing exciting in our first bag. Obviously looking for the sought after commemoratives. And obviously some cool designs as well. Like Benjamin Bunny, not Benjamin Bunny, Benjamin Bunny is the most common. Peter Rabbit, Flopsy Bunny, obviously the ultimate Kew Gardens, one which I've never had. I'm doing a terrible job of separating them today. So, lots of other, I tell you what I would love again, I haven't had in such a long time, and I'm starting to question the mintage on it actually. If it is as high as they say, well, it's not high, it's a low mintage coin, but even if it is, has that mintage that it's stated to have, the Isaac Newton, because honestly, they're as close to hen's teeth as you can get. Just really do not see them. I think it's such a beautiful coin, such a stunning looking coin, that I think people, when they see it, even non-coin collectors just go, you know what, that's it, our Grubmeister for today. I'm going to keep that, you know, just keep it to look at it because it's kind of cool. Well, the first three bags certainly haven't set the world on fire, but lots more to go. Gonna have bits of bags everywhere after this. There's Christopher Ironside. Always when I see this, I always think of it like older design coins. It's very reminiscent of sort of coins of the past. Yeah, there we go. 2016 representative of Beatrix Potter. That was the first set of Beatrix Potter coins, and actually one of the lower mintage ones. In fact, I think it might be the second lowest mintage of that after the other one that I'm desperately looking for, which is Jemima Puddle Duck. I have never got a Jemima Puddle Duck ever. All the time I've been searching for, well, since 2016 anyway, that I've been searching for that because it only came out in 2016. But lovely to see Squirrel Nutkin, actually. Those ones don't appear as often anymore, obviously, because a lot of them are in people's collections now. Anyway, just a very sought after collection as well. But will I ever get a Jemima Puddle Duck? I won't spoil the surprise, but I did find in a recent £2 coin hunt. In fact, in my last one, not one that I've put up, one that I've just done, but I haven't actually posted up yet. I did find a coin that I've been looking for a long time, so I was absolutely delighted to get that. You can just imagine my reaction, obviously, if you are familiar with my channel. So if I got a Jemima Puddle Duck, I'd be over the moon. Oops. You didn't go to the right place. Can't always be guaranteed with sealed bags to get a good result, you know. There's no guarantees. I mean, sometimes the fold tops are a lot better. And there's another one from 2016, Peter Rabbit. In fact, the first one that came out, the first ever Beatrix Potter coin. Unusual to see two of them, I'm going to say. Oh, what are you? I think I've actually had this coin before. Not this one, obviously, but I mean, this design before. A $1 East Caribbean States. I have had, but have I had the same date? I don't know, so I need to do a bit of checking. What a cool coin that is. Got more size than a 50p. It's not a heptagon. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that 10? Is that 10 sides? And I'll check that a bit later. And there you go, Queen Elizabeth. And it has, with all Territories coins, it has the second. Not all of them, but most of them. It has the second written in letters rather than in put down in Roman numerals. Cool coin though. What a cool coin that is. $1. Second appearance on Coin Treasure Hunt. I do like that coin, it's awesome. Who doesn't like a galleon? It's a cool coin to get in sealed bags as well, you know. You tend more to get oddities like that in fold tops because people coming back off holidays and whatnot, you know, and just have an old coin in their collection. So here we go. Hello, Paddington. How are you? At St. Paul's. I raise my hat to you. I always love a Paddington coin. I'm going to try and will Isaac Newton into existence. Well, the coin anyway, not Isaac. Literally. I tell you what, that coin is just... I don't even know. I don't even know whether there's a million of them, let alone the mintage they say there is. I think that 1,801,000. I think is a mintage on that. I believe it is. It's near as damn it to that. 2017. It's probably the People Act. No, it's Jeremy Fisher. So another Beatrix one. That's the high mintage set. 2017. Pretty much all the coins in that are high mintage. Some extremely so. like the aforementioned Benjamin Bunny and the Peter Rabbit of that year as well. The tail of Peter Rabbit, the coin is actually. Oh, for a minute there. Team GB. 2016. It's not actually that high mintage, actually. It's not low mintage, it's kind of middle of the road. And Sherlock. That means now if it keeps up with tradition that I will have a number of Sherlocks in this, not just one. Good to see a 2019 with something on the back rather than a shield. But then again, we have our Paddington's 2019. Oh, God, it's a very thick rim on that, isn't it? Look how badly that's being pressed. No rim there, or barely a rim there, and a big thick rim around there. Now the dictionary. Go down there. What are you? 2019. They're a bit higgledy-piggledy in my hands. I'm trying to sort them out. Oops. Slip sliding all over the place, these ones. A bit of greasy crud on them or something. It's not my hands. Right. There's loads of bags to go, thankfully. The scissors is trying to hold my hand captive there. Put them in the right place? I have, yeah. Was somebody in this coin centre a coin hunter? 2012. Why does that weird me out, that date? Just don't really, yeah, don't say that. For a second I was just like, of course as well I will be looking for NISC dates. You know, 2009, 10, 11, 16 and 18. And 20, actually. And 20. There you go. Shiny 2008, most likely a shield. Yep, if that was a Britannia, that would be one that we'd be keeping because it's the lowest mintage. We'll have a look for them later. You've gone into the wrong place. I'm letting too many of the dates catch my eye here. Can look for them later. These are the flimsier bags, not like some of them that I've got that have been like see-through Kevlar. But I still don't want to pull them apart because, yes, I can do that, but yeah, sometimes a bag can just slip and they can go absolutely everywhere, and yeah, I don't want that to happen. Another Christopher Ironside. And a representation of the People Act. 9 million. So not a sought after coin. And Benjamin. Oh, cool. Really cool. Yeah, that's Benjamin Bunny with his big floppy hat. Hello, Benjamin. 2017 again, part of that really high mintage set, but this is not. This is part of the very low mintage set. The 2018 set. Mrs. Tittle-mouse. Hadn't seen Mrs. Tittle-mouse in ages and ages and ages. And then I finally got one in a recent hunt, and now I got another one. Cool. Such a cute little coin, isn't it? They're brilliant characters and brilliant books. And I tell you what, as far as getting kids to read, there's a lot of really kind of advanced language in that, actually, in those books. So, and they are beautiful little books as well, lovely to read as well. So, lovely, absolutely delighted to get Mrs. Tittle-mouse. That's 1,700,000. So that's a low mintage coin. One of the lowest, actually. That's a real nice little find, that one. So things have turned around in this hunt. Where would Miss Tittle-mouse be on the scale? There's another Paddington again at St. Paul's. You haven't moved, Paddington. Come on, go to a different venue. No, and him will be maybe at the tower again. Seems to like the tower, Paddington. In my hunts, Paddington's dark side. So yeah, Mr. Tittle-mouse. So you would have obviously Kew Gardens, but then you would have Flopsy Bunny and Peter Rabbit, and then Isaac Newton. So that'd be 4. What's she, 5th on the list or something? It's a real find, that one. Oops, wrong place. Wrong place. 2017, are you another Beatrix? Yes, you're another Benjamin. Not too surprising to get 2 Benjamins. I feel like my cat's going to try and make a jump for it now. Now I'm all over the place with sorting them out now. It's all gone to pot, as per usual. That'll be my cat there, adding the soundtrack to the video. I don't like music. I like to have a chit chat. So you have a cat soundtrack in the background. What other treasures, if any, lie within? Oh, there we go. He did move venue. Paddington at Buckingham Palace. Nice 2018 there. We've got quite a few bags to go. These take a whole lot longer than the £2 coins to go through. Not surprisingly. There's 20 coins in each bag, or there should be, as opposed to 10 in the £2 one. Treasure chest is already getting full. Another dictionary. That's our hat trick. Where do you go? No idea. I did find the right place anyway. Doing the housework there. Putting them in the right place. Come on, Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton. Here we go. There's the frog again. Jeremy Fisher. It's trying to lacerate my legs with giant claws. He's got teeth like a saber-toothed cat and claws like a saber-toothed cat as well. And no, I did not say a saber-toothed tiger because they're not tigers. They're cats. Very big ones, or they were very big ones. Another representation that people liked. I did see the old legs sticking out there. What are you? 2018? No, 15. Dope. And another squirrel Nutkin. This is nuts to get two of them in the same hunt. Sorry, couldn't help myself. Couldn't help myself. Bit of a shield extravaganza here towards the end. So how many bags do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. So 140 chances to get some more treasure. Make that 139. And I'm not going to count them all down now. And another Benjamin. The dandy Benjamin. I seen a little cuddly toy on my way home today of Benjamin, actually. It said Peter Rabbit on the label, but it was actually Benjamin Bunny. His big floppy head. Amazing the things you see on the way home. But there you go. It was in a shop. It wasn't actually it wasn't just strolling down the street, you know. I don't have giant talking bunnies living around my area. The treasure chest is absolutely is at near overflowing point. And another Benjamin. Quadruple Benjamin. Oh, where are you escaping to? Only 2 shields anyway, so unless they're 2017s, which would be very nice. That's the lowest minted shield. And Benjamin again at St. Paul's. Good grief. It's a hat-trick. Benjamin at the Terror, or not at the Terror, at St. Paul's. I do think I've said it before. I've mentioned it before. I actually think, I don't think any of the Paddington coins are going to be particularly low mintage. We know 2 of them, but I actually think we know the lowest mintage already. I think that's Paddington at the station. It's my guess anyway. I just see the other 2 too often, I think so. Another Christopher Ironside. That's the hat trick of those. Another dictionary. It's quadruple dictionary. And I didn't even see the date. Brexit coin. Soon to be joined by the new Diversity Built Britain coin, which I'm really looking forward to seeing. So another one with writing on it, but because of the geodome on it, I'm really looking forward to it. I think it just brings a completely different dimension to it. That's really cool. So let's put you down there in the box of coin. So that'll be 2 to look out for, and it's going to be a sought after coin because it's only going to have a mintage of 2.5 million. So it will be actually I think what, a top 5 or top 6 coin. So unlike the Brexit coin, which has 10 million. Public libraries. Beautiful design. Oh, that one was open. Let's split in the bag. I have no idea where they're going. I have no idea which ones are which. Whether this is this one or what's going on. Did you fall down? Who knows? It's all a bit of a mystery. I think this is all of them. Oh dear. I've seen nothing in that bag. Only 2 bags to go. Absolutely rattled through them. Need to use scissors. Any more treats? Any more treats? They're just going to go everywhere now. So I'm going to put these down here for a second. I've kind of run out of room now. In the treasure chest. Oh, not the Peter Rabbit I'm looking for. That's the tail of Peter Rabbit. That's from the 2017 set. A lot of Beatrix coins in this hunt. That's very high mintage. You're looking for the one with his eating his can't even think of it now. Another Jeremy Fisher. Hat trick of them. My favourite Beatrix Potter coin. Eating his radishes and turnips. Well, I haven't managed to will Isaac Newton into existence, unless I can in this bag. Isaac Newton coin, or for that matter the Kew Gardens coin. So last bag. Any other treats, any other treasure? Another Paddington at the Tower. Living up to his reputation. That's 3 of them. 3 venues. Don't have them at the station, funnily enough. And there's the 2016 Commonwealth Games in Glasgow, the 20th one. It is 2016, isn't it? Yep. It is. And last few coins now. Think that might well be it. It is. There we go. So some lovely finds. Right now, time for me to look through the definitives to see if I can find those dates that I mentioned. Right, well, I have had some luck with key dates, which is great. Now, what did we get today? Well, first to go through the sillies. Silly nonsense, that is. A new record in 2019. 72. Smashed my old record. There are just billions of these. And then the monstrosities and curiosities. Just grubmeisters. Look at that. Good grief. That one there is quite strange. There's a texture on it. It's completely strange on it. That's one I'm probably going to keep. I see the odd one of them now and again. I know there's dings in it, but it's that weird sort of rough sort of texture. Kind of reminds me of the abolition of the slave trade, the same sort of texture on it. So that's kind of actually interestingly odd. These are just grubmeisters that I'm showing you. You always get a collection of grubmeisters. Now, okay, what did I get? A brace of the People Act. We got Team GB and the Glasgow Commonwealth Games, both the same year. Hat-trick of Christopher Ironside. Very unusually, just one Shakespeare for my coin ones. If I get one, I usually get more. There we go. We got quadruple dictionary. You know, I've been hard at work with those grubby hands. We got the beautiful libraries coin. Public libraries. Love that coin. And anything else? Yes, we got a Brexit coin. Currently the only 2020 50p in circulation, but there's another one on the way. Looking forward to that. Can't wait to get my hands on one of them. And then it was kind of character day. We had a Beatrix extravaganza. We had 2 The Tale of Peter Rabbit coins. We had 4 quintuple of Benjamin Bunny. And then we had my favourite, Mr. Jeremy Fisher. We had a hat-trick of Jeremy Fisher. Still in lovely condition. And then, much more sought after, we had Peter Rabbit, 2016. And we had 2 Squirrel Nutkins. It's a lovely one. That's second lowest mintage of the 2016 set. After the one I'm still looking for, which is can't remember, Jemima Puddle Duck. And then we have Paddington. So Paddington at St. Paul's, got a hat trick of them. Paddington at the Tower is Dark Side. And Paddington at Buckingham Palace. Again, didn't get the full set, but 3 out of 4 ain't bad, eh? And as I say, the one that's missing, I think, actually is going to be the lowest mintage of the lot. And then our star coins of the day. So as I mentioned, I did get the key dates. Got both the key dates, actually. 2008, Britannia. And the much rarer 2017 Shield. I've had a really good run on them lately, so very pleased with that. It's one of the lowest mintage 50p's around. And then this oddity, this peculiarity. How did you find your way over here? East Caribbean States, 1998. Oh, I didn't actually check the date. Forgot to actually check the date. Never mind. I'll probably update on that later. $1. I doubt it's even worth 50p. But it might be, you never know. Might be worth over. And then, again, one of the rarest out there. It's only got Kew Gardens, Peter Rabbit, Flopsy Bunny equally, and no, that's it actually. 4. I think that's number 4. Is that number 4? Really? Wow. because you have Isaac Newton, but that's 1,800,000. This is 1,700,000. And Jemima Puddle Duck is 2,100,000. 2017 Shield is 1,800,000. So yeah, I think this is 4 on the list. It's a really low mintage little beauty there. So fabulous. There you go. 4-star coins of the day. Something to be very, very pleased about. Very happy about. Turn you over on your 2008 date. So by now you should see a selection of my videos that YouTube have suggested you might like to watch if you've enjoyed this one. And up in the right hand corner you'll see that beautiful X marks the spot 10p coin that will help you to subscribe if you enjoy my content. In the meantime, everybody, I wish you happy hunting as always, and I'll see you again for the next coin treasure hunt. Take care all then. Bye bye.